Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own wellness or immunity shot using the Vibe blender. Some of the supermarket options that you can go and get yourself can be, number one, very expensive and just not as fresh as it should be. So when you make it for yourself at home, you know exactly what's going into it, it's fresh and it's packed full of nutrients that you want. Start by peeling 4 oranges and 1 lemon. Cut the fruit in half and remove the seeds. Then peel a 2 centimeter piece of ginger root and a 1 centimeter piece of turmeric root. Put all of these ingredients into the blender jug and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Manuka honey. Blend on smoothie mode for about 40 seconds and then pour straight into glasses and drink straight away, or you can store the excess in a sealed glass jar in the fridge for up to 3 days. It's easy to get you a boost of immunity, especially during winter when you use the Vibe blender. Check out the blog online to see more recipes and tips and tricks on how to use your Luvele appliances at home. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life videos to come. And if you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon.